Hello children, today we will do cursive writing. In our previous video we have learned small letter A to Z. Today we will learn capital letter A to Z. Now we will write down capital cursive letter A. So see all of you how I am writing. So you will start writing capital letter A from waistline, shoulder line and then headline. Again come back from headline, shoulder line, waistline and then make a curve. This is capital cursive A. Once more. Capital cursive A. We will write down capital letter B. So I am starting capital letter B from headline. Headline, shoulder line, waistline, then make a curve. Come to the shoulder line, then waistline. Capital cursive B. Once more. One more time. Now capital cursive C. Start from waistline, shoulder line, headline. Then again come back from headline, shoulder line and then waistline. Capital cursive C. One more time. One more time. Capital cursive letter D. Start from headline, shoulder line, waistline, then make little a loop from waistline, shoulder line, headline. One more time. Capital cursive letter E. Start from shoulder line, then go to headline, come back to shoulder line and then again waistline. One more time. Capital cursive. Now capital cursive letter F. Start from headline, then come from headline to shoulder line, waistline and from middle you make a line. Capital cursive F. One more time. Now we will write down capital letter G. Start from waistline, shoulder line to headline. Come back from headline to shoulder line to waistline. Then again go to the shoulder line. Come back to the baseline and then waistline, shoulder line. One more time. One more time. Capital cursive G. We will do capital letter H. Start from shoulder line, to headline, then headline to shoulder line, and then come back to waistline. Again from headline, shoulder line, and then waistline, and then make a curve. One more time. Once more. Capital H. Now we will do capital letter I. Start from shoulder line to headline, then shoulder line to your waistline. One more time. Once more. Capital letter I. Now we will do capital letter J. Start from waistline, shoulder line, headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, and then base line, and then shoulder line. One more time. Once more. Capital letter J. Now we will do capital letter K. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, then waistline, then headline, shoulder line, and then waistline. One more time. Capital cursive letter K. Now we will do capital letter cursive letter L. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline. One more time. Once more. Capital letter L. Now we will do capital letter M. Start from waistline, shoulder line, headline, again headline, shoulder line, waistline, again shoulder line, headline, then again come back. One more time. Once more. Capital letter M. Now we will do capital letter N. Start from waistline to shoulder line, headline, then again headline to shoulder line, waistline, again waistline to shoulder line, headline. One more time. Once more. Capital letter N. Now we will do capital letter O. Start from shoulder line to headline, again headline to shoulder line, waistline, then make a circle. One more time. Capital letter O. Once more. Capital letter O. Now we will do capital letter P. Start from headline, shoulder line, waistline, then again waistline go to headline, and from headline to shoulder line. Capital letter P. Once more. Again. Capital letter P. Now we will do capital letter Q. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, then shoulder line, headline, capital Q. Once more. Once more. Capital letter Q. Now we will do capital letter R. Now I am starting from headline to shoulder line, waistline, again waistline to headline, headline to shoulder line to waistline. Capital letter R. Once more. One more. Capital letter R. Now we will do capital letter S. Start from waistline to shoulder line to headline, again headline to shoulder line to waistline. Once more. Once more. Capital letter S. Now we will do capital letter T. Starting from headline to shoulder line to waistline. Capital T. Once more. Once more. Capital letter T. Now we will do capital letter U. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, shoulder line, headline, again come back to shoulder line, waistline. Capital letter U. Once more. Once more. Capital letter U. Now we will do capital letter V. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, waistline to shoulder line to headline, and then make a loop. Once more. Capital letter V. Once more. Capital letter V. Now we will do capital letter W. Starting from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, waistline to shoulder line, and then headline. Again headline, shoulder line, waistline, waistline to shoulder line, headline. Once more. Once more. Capital letter W. We will do capital letter cursive X. Starting from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line to waistline, again waistline to shoulder line, headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline. Once more. Once more. Capital cursive X. Now we will do capital letter Y. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, waistline, waistline to shoulder line, headline, headline, shoulder line, waistline, then baseline. Once more. Once more. Capital letter Y. Now we will do capital letter Z. Start from shoulder line to headline, headline to shoulder line, then waistline, and then baseline. Once more. Once more. Capital letter Z. So children, what we have learned today, let's recap. Now we will start writing capital letter A to Z. See how I am writing. Capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C, capital letter D. Capital letter E, capital letter F, capital letter G, capital letter H, capital letter I, capital letter J, capital letter K, capital letter L, capital letter M, capital letter N, capital letter O, capital letter P, capital letter Q, capital letter R, capital letter S, capital letter T, capital letter U, capital letter V, capital letter W, capital letter X, capital letter Y, capital letter Z. So children, today we have learned capital letter cursive A to Z. You will write it in your copy. Till then, see you in the next video.